Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a super cool 68 Ford Galaxie XL. Very cool car, guys. I actually bought this car down in Georgia. Actually, a buddy of mine, Scott, and I, we drove this car for a couple of days. So one thing I can tell you, this is a great car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, original Georgia body. Really just a good car. Factory color, medium blue. Matter of fact, I've ordered a little paint pen for this car. It's got a couple little spots that need to be touched up on it. And unfortunately, it hasn't made it here yet. Shipping right now has been a pain in the butt. But it's factory medium blue. Matter of fact, the outside of this car has been painted. The jams in the engine compartment, trunk, all the original paint, which I think is super cool. It shows you how clean this car is. As you can see, it's got the white stripe there at the bottom. It's got a cool set of 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds all the way around it. I love the fastback with the hideaway headlights. Got a good look to it. Like I say, good, solid, straight car. It's going to be one of those cars you don't have to break the bank to buy, and you're getting a good car. 73,000 original miles on the car, so you can see all the trims original. You can pick it a little bit. Well, like I say, still pretty doggone nice. Hideaways work. I believe these are the original bumpers. Again, they're, you know, it shows some wear to them, but they're clean and straight. Factory color, medium blue metallic. There's a couple, yeah, they're somewhere. I'll try to point them out. And again, I've ordered a paint pen for the car, and it just hasn't come in yet. It's a nice company. If you get it, you can always order, if the car's a factory color combination, you can order them. They'll send you actually paint pen for these cars. See, it's got split there in the dash. Original dash, again, 73,000, I believe, original miles on the car. Original vinyl top. That's in great shape. I love the fastback, man. Great look. Really different, something you don't see much. Again, the car is, that's just a little dirt there, guys. You guys missed something, but here, there's a little touch-up mark. And like I say, I've ordered a paint pen for it, so try to touch those little spots up. I just didn't have anything that was really close to mess with it. Again, original bezels. That tail panel's all original. Rear bumper original too. Again, a couple little marks in it. Some of that might come off. Yeah, some of that's coming off. Sorry, guys. But there is a couple little marks you can see in it. I dig it. Really cool car. And again, I can't say enough about how nice this thing drove. I mean, it ran and drove excellent. Good rubber on it. I just put brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Guys did a great job putting on that, tucked it up real nice underneath. Clean and straight. I think the car's got all the original body panels on it. Supposedly this car was in, there's a couple little touch-up mark. Supposedly this car's been in the same family for a lot of its life. Little one there at the bottom too. Good car. If I remember right, this is a factory 302 car. This is not the original engine. It's actually got a 302 crate engine. You said it's a roller engine too. Holley 4-barrel. It's got a, I'm assuming it's a Summit engine because it's got a Summit aluminum intake. Factory exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the Ford racing valve covers, chrome air cleaner, power steering, factory air that does work, manual brakes. And again, this is all original in here, guys. That's your original paint. That firewall, all that stuff is all original. It's got a Mallory ignition in it. Again, stock exhaust manifolds. Air does work. Again, that's original underneath the hood. That's never been painted. So this, you can tell, I mean, this car is clean as can be. Automatic trans. Again, I'm not trying to pick the car to death, man. I've been doing this for 40 years, man. I try to show you what you're getting, man. None of these things are perfect. They're all old cars. Well, the stainless on this car is real nice. Again, vinyl top's in great shape. And like I say, if you're looking for something to drive, I think you'll absolutely love this car, man. It hit the road great. Look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Glass is nice. Mirrors original, showing a little wear. This is a remote mirror. It's got actually dual chrome mirrors on it. Original door handles. I believe all this interior is original. I ordered new floor mats for it. There's your original door tag. Again, this is your original paint. Look how clean those doors are. Even the carpet's original, guys. Sill plate's original. Factory bench seat car. Factory dash, 73,573. It's got 1,900 miles, he said, on the engine since they've replaced the engine. It's the factory AM radio. It works as well, and then they've got an aftermarket stereo. That's a console. It's removable if you want it. It's got a Kenwood AM FM radio in it. Original owner's manual in the glove box. But again, that console will come out of there if you want it out of there. Like I say, I put the brand new dual exhaust on it. It's a factory 9-inch rear end, factory 3.25 gear. You can see the factory jacks here, spares in here. Again, this is your original paint. Factory bias ply spare. Again, you can see it's all spackle coated in there. Like I said, I didn't see where they had put any quarters or any floors or anything in this car. The car's clean underneath. Clean those doors up. Again, these are original seats, are nice. Again, I ordered the Galaxie mats for it. It's got the wood grain dash. You can see that little split there. Go ahead, Nathan. Man, we'll be able to drive them down the road today. It's dry enough where we won't make a mess of them. Leaving in the morning for another show, guys. Got 6 new ones coming today. I'll tell you what, man, just turned your air on. Air works. Like I say, this thing drove outstanding. That's a good car. I like it. Again, I love those hideaways, and I like this fastback. I like that. Again, different. I like the wheels and tires on it. Fuel gauge works. There's not much for gauges. I know the AM radio works. All the interior lights and stuff like that, that all stuff seemed to work. Tail lights are cool on these cars too. Backup lights work. I'm telling you, that's just a good car right there, man. Yeah, they both work too. The AM radio works, blower motor works. those things where, there we go. I'm like, wait a minute. That's cool, man. Very cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That's a good looking car right there, man.